Today on Raise Arithmetic, we're going to do lesson number 33. And our Roman numeral there tells us that we've got 10, and 10, and 10, and 1, and 1, and 1. And when you add all those up, what do you get? 10, and 10, and 10, and 1, and 1, and 1 makes what? 33. And that's the lesson we're going to do today. So here we go with some problems first. And these are going to be all about the number 9. And you'll see that in every single problem there's going to be a 9 in there. So be watching for those. Now on the first board here we're going to do some subtraction problems like we've done before, where first we start out by taking our number, or I should say putting it there and subtracting the same thing away from it. 9 from 9. 9 from 9 leaves, how many do you think? I think it's going to be 0, because that's what they always are, the answer when we take a number and subtract it from itself. So 9 from 9 leaves 0. How about 1 from 10? How many does that leave? If we have 10 and we subtract 1, how many are we left with? That leaves 9. Alright, how about if we subtract 9 from 10? How many does that leave? We got 10 and we take away 9. That leaves us with just 1. 1. How about 2 from 11? If we take 2 from 11, how many is that? 2 from 11, well, that better be 9, because you know we have to have a 9 in there. How about if we subtract 9 from our 11? 9 from 11 leaves us with how many? Leaves us with 2. How about 3 from 12? If we have 12 and we subtract 3, how many do we have left? 3 from 12 leaves 9. Let's do 9 from 12 up here. We've got 12. If we take 9 away from 12, how many is that? 9 from 12, that would be 3. Let's do 4 from 13. We got 13, and we take away 4. How many is that? Well, that would be 9. And let's take 9 from our 13. How many is that going to be? 13, take away 9, leaves us with 4. Let's do 5 from 14. 14, we take away 5, that leaves how many? 5 from 14 leaves 9, of course. Got to have a 9. How about if we do 9 from 14? How many is that? 9 from 14 leaves us with 5. Alright, let's continue. How about we do 6 from 15? Let's go over here. 6, well, we got 15 and we're going to take away 6. How many is that? 6 from 15 leaves 9. Let me redo my 9 so it looks more like a 9. Well, I guess that's going to have to do. How about if we go 15 and we subtract 9 from that? How many is that? 9 from 15 are 6. What would be a good one to do next? How about 7 from 16? We had 16 and we take away 7. How many is that going to be? 7 from 16 is going to be 9. And let's take 9 away from 16. So 16, take away 9, leaves us with 7. How about 8 from 17? Let's do that next. 17, and we take away 8. How many is that? That's 9. 9. How about 17, and we take away 9? That leaves us with 8. Let's do, how about 9 from 18? 18, we take away 9. How many is that? I think that's going to be 9, don't you? You're right, it's 9. Okay, let's see. How about we do some word problems now, some story problems. Let's see what Thomas is doing. Thomas has 10 walnuts. After eating 9 of them, how many does he have left? Well, Thomas has 10 walnuts. Hopefully he's cracked them so that they're not still in the shell. Let me redo my 10, my goodness. Take 2. There, 10 walnuts, and he eats 9 of them. So how many walnuts does Thomas have left? Well, he better have 1, because that's what 9 from 10 leaves, is 1. Now I'm in this next one. I've got 11 cents. And I go to the store and I buy me a slate. Remember what a slate is? It's kind of like a little chalkboard. I buy a slate and I spend 9 cents to buy that slate. How much did I have remaining? Well, I've got 11 cents. I go to the store, I buy a slate. I pay 9 cents for that slate. How much do I have left? Well, 9 from 11 is what? That's 2 cents that I still have. Let's see, you know something, I'm in this next one too. I've got $12. Well, I've got a bunch of money. It was payday, so I've got $12 and I go to the store. This time I go to a clothing store and I buy a coat. I spend $9 for that coat. How much do I have left? So I've got $12 and I spend how much for that coat? $9. So how much do I have left? 9 from 12 leaves 3, and that leaves $3 still in my pocket. Good. I'll go spend it somewhere else. Now, Anna is in our next problem. Anna has 13 birds, but 4 of them died. How many does she have left? Well, she's got 13 birds to start with, and 4 of them die for some mysterious unknown reason. How many does she have left? 4 from 13 leaves 9. Okay, what do you think? Bird flu or something like that? I don't know. Well, we've got horses in the next one. We go from birds to horses. There are 14 horses in a field, but 9 of them get out. How many horses remain? Well, we've got 14 horses to start with, but somebody leaves the gate open and 9 of them get out. That's not good. How many horses are left? Well, 9 from 14 are 5 horses, and they better go looking for those horses right now. That's a lot of horses to lose. Let's see. Mary has 15 plums, and she gives her brother 6. How many does she have then? So Mary has 15 plums, and her brother likes plums too, so she gives him 6. How many plums does she still have? 6 from 15 leave what? 9 plums, which she can share with somebody else. Now George has got some marbles. He's got 16 marbles, and he loses 9 of them. I don't know what it is with boys and marbles. We had Thomas lose marbles the other day. We had, I think, Samuel lose marbles the other day. I don't know. Do girls lose marbles? I don't know. But George did. George had 16 marbles, and he lost 9 of them. How many does he have left? Well, he's got 16, and he loses 9 of them. So he has how many left? 9 from 16 are 7 marbles. Okay, George, guard those marbles. Try not to lose them. A man had 17 horses, and he sold 8 of them. How many horses did he have left? So he's got 17 horses, and he sells 8 of them. Okay, how many horses does he still have? 8 from 17 are, you guessed it, 9 horses. All right. And I'm in this last one. I'm in another problem, my goodness. Okay, this time I go to the store and I buy a kite. You ever fly a kite? Yeah, those are pretty fun, especially on a windy day. I bought a kite for 9 cents and I sold it for 18 cents. Ooh, good for me. How much did I make? Well, I got to do this. We got to put the larger number first, because that's what we're going to use to find how much money I made. I sold this kite for 18 cents. Let me do my 8 again, so it looks like an 8. I sold it for 18. I bought it for 9. So how much money did I make? 9 from 18 will tell us that, and 9 from 18 are 8. 9. Yeah, I can read my own writing. 9. So 9 cents is what I made. So I doubled my money on that kite. Bought it for 9, sold it for 18. So I made 9 cents. Okay. Well, that will do it for lesson 33. We'll do lesson 34 next time. And you keep on practicing your subtraction. I think we're going to do the number 10 next time when we get together. So you can still visit our website to catch up on things and get more information on Ray's Arithmetic, homeschool, and all those great things. So we'll see you at our next lesson.